Luna finds a mysterious feather. It was a quiet and breezy morning in the forest. Luna walked slowly along her favorite path, enjoying the soft rustle of leaves and the sweet songs of birds above. Suddenly, something unusual caught her eye. Lying gently on the ground was a beautiful, shiny feather glowing softly in the sunlight. It shimmered with colors Luna had never seen before, a mix of gold, blue, and violet. "Wow, this is not an ordinary feather," she whispered, picking it up carefully with her paw. She looked around, but no birds were nearby. Who does this belong to? She wondered. Luna placed the feather in her little backpack and smiled, a mystery to solve. She purred with excitement. Her new adventure had just begun. Searching for clues in the forest. Luna held the shiny feather gently in her paw. It sparkled with every step she took. "I need to find out where this came from," she thought with excitement. She wandered deeper into the forest, looking carefully at every tree and bush. Maybe there were more feathers, or maybe footprints. Luna sniffed the air. She could smell flowers, fresh leaves, and something faint and feathery. She followed the scent to a cluster of tall ferns. There, tucked between the leaves, was another feather, this one a little smaller but with the same shimmering glow. "Aha! A clue!" Luna purred happily. She carefully placed the second feather in her backpack and looked around. Someone must be looking for these. Her tiny tail swished with excitement. The mystery was getting bigger, and Luna was determined to solve it. The Whispering Tree. Luna wandered deeper into the forest, holding the two feathers close in her backpack. The tree stood taller here, and the light peeked gently through the leaves. Suddenly, a soft breeze passed by, and Luna heard something unusual, a gentle whisper like a voice carried by the wind. She turned her ears and followed the sound. It led her to a tall, ancient tree with twisting roots and wide branches. Its bark shimmered faintly, as if touched by magic. As Luna stepped closer, the wind whispered again. "Find the wind, follow the feathers." Luna's eyes lit up. "The tree is guiding me," she said excitedly. She gently placed her paw on the trunk and smiled. "I'll keep going. I'll find whoever lost these feathers." With newfound determination, she took a deep breath and continued her adventure, the whispers echoing softly in her heart. A trail of feathers. Luna gently placed her paw on the forest floor, just beside the third glowing feather she had found. "That's 3 now," she whispered. "Someone must really be missing these." She looked ahead and there it was, another feather, glistening in the distance. It was resting on a rock, catching the golden rays of sunlight through the trees. With growing determination, Luna began following the trail. Each feather led to the next, like a magical path calling her forward. Some were tucked under leaves, others hanging delicately on low branches, swaying softly in the breeze. "Who are you?" she whispered to the wind, imagining the bird who lost them. "Are you trying to find your way too?" The forest around her seemed to shimmer with energy. Luna's tiny paws stepped gently from one clue to the next, her heart filled with hope. She knew she was getting closer and she wouldn't stop until she solved this mystery. The Song in the Wind. As Luna followed the trail of feathers, the forest grew quieter. The breeze picked up gently, swirling leaves through the air, and then she heard something beautiful. A soft, melodic sound floated with the wind like a lullaby carried by the trees. It was unlike any bird song she had ever heard before. Luna paused and closed her eyes for a moment. The music wrapped around her like a warm hug. Is someone singing? She whispered. She looked up and saw feathers dancing in the wind, forming a spiral in the air. They moved as if guided by the song itself. Luna felt her heart flutter. It must be leading me. I need to follow this song. With renewed energy, she began walking again, following the wind's melody and the glowing trail of feathers that moved along with it. This wasn't just an adventure anymore, it was a journey of sound and heart. A bird's cry for help. As Luna followed the song in the wind, the melody slowly faded, but in its place, she heard something else, a soft, trembling sound. Chirp, chirp. It was faint, almost like a whisper hidden in the leaves. Luna perked up her ears and followed the sound carefully. She tiptoed past the glowing feathers and reached a small clearing behind a fallen tree. There, under the branches, sat a tiny bird, trembling and tired. One of its wings was slightly drooped, and its feathers matched the ones Luna had found. Oh no! Are you okay? Luna asked gently, stepping closer. The bird looked up weakly and chirped again. Luna's heart melted. Don't worry, she whispered. I'll help you. She gently opened her backpack, placing a soft leaf inside to make a cozy spot. The little bird slowly hopped in, snuggling into the soft bed Luna had made. You're safe now. Luna smiled. Her journey had now become a mission, not just to solve a mystery, but to help a new friend. Luna climbs high. Luna gently checked on the little bird resting in her backpack. You'll be okay, she whispered kindly. But we need to find your home. The bird chirped softly and looked up toward the treetops. Luna followed its gaze there. Far above was a tall tree with a large, cozy-looking nest swaying gently in the wind. A few glowing feathers were tangled in the branches. That must be your nest, Luna said with a smile. But it's so high. She took a deep breath. I can do this. With careful steps, Luna began climbing. She placed her paws on the roots, then the low branches, one by one, moving higher and higher. Leaves brushed her fur, and the wind tugged at her little backpack. But she didn't stop. Don't worry, she whispered again to the bird. We are almost there. As she climbed, sunlight peeked through the leaves, lighting her path. Luna's heart was beating fast, not from fear, but from hope. She was getting closer to the nest and to helping a friend. The missing nest. Luna finally reached the high branch where the glowing nest was supposed to be, but when she looked closer, her heart sank. The nest was there, but it was damaged and empty, twigs scattered, soft leaves missing, and feathers barely hanging on. Something must have disturbed it in the wind or during a storm. Luna gently placed the little bird beside the nest. The bird chirped softly, looking around as if searching for someone. "Oh no," Luna whispered sadly. "Where's your family?" She sat beside the bird and wrapped her tail gently around it. "You're not alone anymore," she said softly. "I'm here." For a moment, they sat in silence, feeling the breeze and listening to the quiet forest. Luna looked at the nest again and thought, "Maybe I can fix it. Maybe I can help." A new sense of purpose filled her heart. The adventure was no longer about solving a mystery, it was about healing and hope. The reunion. As Luna and the little bird sat quietly beside the broken nest, a gentle sound echoed through the trees. Chirp, chirp, chirp! Luna perked up her ears. The little bird's eyes sparkled. It recognized that sound. Suddenly, two birds fluttered down from the treetops, one larger and graceful, the other smaller but familiar. They chirped with joy as they saw the little one. "Your family," Luna gasped with a smile. The birds landed beside the nest, chirping and gently nuzzling the small bird. The little one chirped back with happiness, hopping toward them with excitement. Luna watched the beautiful moment unfold, her heart glowing with warmth. The mother bird looked at Luna and chirped softly, a thank you from the heart. Then she gently placed a glowing feather near Luna's paws, a gift of gratitude. Luna smiled and nodded. She didn't need words, her heart was full. The forest sang with joy, and Luna knew she had truly made a difference. Luna's feather of friendship. The warm sun was setting behind the trees, painting the sky with soft orange and pink hues. Luna sat peacefully on the tree branch, watching the little bird snuggled safely in its repaired nest, surrounded by family and love. She looked down at the glowing feather placed near her paw. It shimmered gently in the fading light, more beautiful than ever. Luna picked up the feather and smiled. "It's not just a clue anymore," she whispered. "It's a gift, a feather of friendship." She gently placed it in her backpack, not as part of a mystery, but as a memory of kindness, courage, and connection. As she climbed down the tree, the forest around her glowed with soft lights, tiny fireflies dancing in the dusk. Luna's heart was full. She had followed a trail of feathers, but found something far more special. A new friend, a meaningful journey, and a reminder that every small act of kindness leaves a sparkle behind. And with a gentle purr, Luna whispered, "I wonder what my next adventure will be." Thank you for your watching.